Hello and welcome to this video. This is Cadrix, and in this video we're going to be looking at the section analysis tool. So the section analysis tool is a really simple tool that allows us to look at the cross section of any object we like. To do so, all we need to do is go to inspect and go to section analysis. We can also press Ctrl Alt and S. Then we need to select what plane. So you can choose to select any of these planes on the origin, or you can select any of the planes you like. For example, this plane, we could select this plane here, this plane here. But for this sake, I'm going to just select this plane here. So if we, as you can see, it shows us a really good representation of what's inside. So this is useful for when, say, for example, you have a bolt and you want to see how long it goes down and if it interferes with the end. You can turn off the hashing because sometimes I find this can make lines which are completely straight look wonky. I can't see any examples right now, but it has happened in the past, so you can just turn that on or off. You can change the color from component, but I really don't understand why you'd ever want to do that. So I would just leave it from component. So yeah, you can change the angle of the section by rotating it here. You can also change it with this axis here. So if we just rotate that back straight, we can see what's going on in the inside. As you can see on the left, we have quite a few instances of section analysis on the left under the analysis folder. To enable which one you want, just click on the eye, or to turn them all off, turn off the eye to the folder analysis. So that's all of them. Some of them even have warnings because they have been deleted in a timeline somewhere. So that's all it is for section analysis. It's just a really useful tool to see inside, which is not physically possible unless we, in real life, unless we took it to a circular saw and took a section. So this is kind of the equivalent of making a human brain slice. If, for example, if I just delete these, and now we just have section 13. Let's say we want to modify it. You need to either right click this and go to edit, or you can just double click it. So now we can move it about. We can rotate it like we did before. And click OK. Same thing again, double click, and we can edit it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Or if you found it horrendous, please feel free to insult me in the comments. And while you're here, don't forget to check out the previous video if you haven't already, and the next video. Catch you in the next one.